What?
No, nothing.
Why are you scared, G?
You go first.
No, I'm not going first. Where Kevin stores the E92, guys. Damn, G. It's like a little barn find in here.
Bro.
What?
There's hella spiders in there.
Why are you scared? Look at the E92, guys. Damn, this shit got dust on it.
I know, it's dirty. I don't even know if it'll start.
Bro, stop.
I swear. Well, last time since October, November, December.
Why don't you drive it? This shit just sits here, guys. You know, that's why I sold my E92, because it literally sat like this. When I got my GTR, I never drove it again. Like, the E92 just sat outside for like, I don't even know how long, 3 months, and that's when I was like, you know, I'm just gonna sell it. This shit about to be so loud, bro.
If it starts.
If it starts. Ah, it started. Oh shoot, rod bearings, G. Well, what's up, guys? They want you another video. This vlog might be 8 or 9, I don't know which day. But we still out here daily vlogging for you guys. Today we got a dope video. Kevin with the E92, as well as the M4 GTS. Well, today he's putting out both the cars, and he's gonna let me whip one of them. I think we're gonna drive the E92. Which is sick because I haven't driven an E92 in so long. Honestly, I don't remember when's the last time I drove one. So this is gonna be an experience, bro. And if you guys don't know already, which I'm sure all of you guys know, I had an E92 in the past. I actually had it for 5 years and then I sold mine. But that's honestly the way me and Kevin met, when I had my E92 and he had this one. And we both would cruise all the time, pretty much vlog how we do nowadays, but with our E92s. It's just crazy that Kevin still has it, but I unfortunately sold mine. Should have kept it, bro. My headlights are the same too. I should have kept my car, G.
I told you.
Why did I do that?
You want to drive mine.
I know. Sheesh. So yeah, we're gonna whip this today. I don't know what we're gonna do. Have a little photo shoot. Kevin take pictures with both his cars, which I want to do so bad. I can't wait to get my GTR back so I can take a picture with the GTR and the F80 together. I have no pictures of them together.
You don't, huh?
No, bro. I haven't even had a photo shoot with both my cars, so this will be cool. It's cool to have like 2 of your cars out at once. I used to do it a lot when I had my E92 and my GTR.
Don't break it. You have the key?
What if I break it? No, you have the key. It's probably in there
too, yeah. Buy me another lime rock?
How much is this car worth still?
The last one sold for like 230,000.
Shut up, bro.
250 or something, yeah.
No way.
It had like, I think it had like 900 miles or something like that. And then there's one for 80,000 that sold for 130.
Damn.
Just give me 100.
Bro, you might be able to get 100K for it? There's no way. I didn't know that.
Yeah.
What the? I don't want to drive it, G. I'm kind of scared. This one's a little more rare than that one, maybe. Which one is more rare? I'm gonna ask Kevin right now. It's hella mint too. Like super clean. Kevin, which one's more rare? This one or that one? Do you know?
This one.
For real?
Yeah.
How?
I made 200 of these.
200 and this?
750.
Oh yeah, that's just trash, G. 750?
Yeah.
Everyone got one of those then. I just
200 in the world.
Yeah, that is crazy. Only 200 in the world.
In the world.
Damn, what the heck? I do miss it though, guys. I miss the sound. I miss everything, honestly. The only thing I didn't like was how slow these cars are, but the sound makes up for it, I think. I will buy another one though. Uh-oh. The GT4 lip. You guys know how many lips I went through? Damn. She was hovering. I went through probably like 8 lips on my E92 probably.
Not selling.
You would never sell it? I do want to get another one, guys. If I do get another one, mine was DCT. I want to get a stick shift next. Let's get it. Boy, I have not been in E92. Oh my God, so loud. I have not been in an E92 in so long, bro. This is gonna be crazy. Of course, the gas light is on, bro. When I had my E92, that light was on 24/7. These cars literally are the worst on gas. That's the only thing I don't miss. I swear, when I had mine, I literally felt like there was something wrong with my car. Like I felt like there was a hole in the gas tank because of how fast the gas would run out. If you guys have an E92, you know what I'm talking about. You would literally see the line dropping. They're so bad on gas. This shit is sick. Before we get into the video, smash the like button right now. Subscribe to the channel if you guys are not already. Subscribe to Kevin as well. I'll leave a link down below. Kevin's also vlogging today. And he's been daily vlogging as well. Which one do you guys like better, guys? The M4 GTS or the Lime Rock? I know it's kind of a hard decision. I don't know. For me, I'm taking the M4 for sure, but I mean, some people might like this one. Kevin says he likes this one way more. That he said he would sell that before he sells this, which is crazy. It looks so sick when his was orange and mine was Tiffany blue. We look like some Skittles, bro. Literally feel like I'm vlogging 5 years ago, bro. In an E92. I can't believe I used to drive this every day, guys. I daily drove my E92 for 5 years. How many miles did I put? I think I put like 80,000 miles on my E92. How crazy is that? And honestly, it was reliable. Like the only thing that broke, actually I did mess up the transmission once, which I don't know how. Actually, I do know how. I think I remember. The transmission pan was leaking, and me being cheap back then, which I'm still cheap now, I was like, it'll be fine. And it kept leaking and leaking and leaking, and I think eventually the trans went out. So I had to get a new DCT trans for that car. But other than that, the car was reliable. I never had issues with it. I did oil changes, and I drove it 80,000 miles to Vegas, to San Diego, to everywhere. I literally drove that car everywhere. And you know what's crazy? So you guys know, like, the E92s have like the rod bearing issue, the F80s have the crank hub issue, and they recommend to change those things out when you're driving the car hard. Well, Kevin has not done his rod bearings, and he has not done the crank hub on that car. My boy Kevin's risking it on both cars. Another cool thing about Kevin's car, he has the cool paddles. These things are sick. You guys hear that? They're like magnetic. I hit up the company to see if they can make these for my GTR, because obviously I can't do it in the F80 since it's stick shift, but these in the GTR will be sick. But they said they only do BMWs for now. And in Kevin fashion, we don't got plates on. So I hope I don't get pulled over in this thing with no plates. I also don't have my license, bro. I left my wallet at home, so this will be a bad time to get pulled over. Like Kevin today, G. He's so scared. It is scary letting someone drive your car. So shout out to Kevin for letting me drive it. He not only wanted to shoot pictures with them, but he's doing it to also give us content. So shout out to Kevin.
Like it.
I hate it, G. I'm just kidding. Yeah. Bro, the downshifts are so like perfect. Look at this. My twin. Lime Rock, G. I can't lie though, the E92 has to be the best sounding M3 in my opinion. Comment down below, what do you guys think the best sounding M3 is? It's just so slow. That's the only thing I don't like. I wish it was faster. God damn. Oh my god, dude. This is ridiculous. I'm gonna get pulled over in this.
Bro, I never heard my car like that before.
It's so loud. This shit is stupid loud. Dude, I'm telling you, the F80s are not nearly as loud as this. Kevin was like, I've never heard it that loud. How about we do a little, uh-oh. What is that, G?
What's that?
Misfire, G. Now I'm paranoid over any car I drive, guys. I feel like anything I touch breaks, so I'm scared. Anyways, you know what we haven't done in a long time? A cinematic, so let's do it. I haven't done cinematics in so long, guys. I used to do them all the time though in the vlogs. I don't know, I'm too lazy now. Photo shoot done. You guys can go check out the pictures I took of Kevin on his Instagram. I cannot wait to have both my cars back and have a photo shoot of both my cars too. It's like the coolest feeling seeing both your cars on the road. I used to do it all the time, if you guys remember. I used to drive the GTR, and I would let like Hugo drive the E92 all the time. 1 of 200, guys. Sheesh. Rare G. Yeah, it would be fun to have another one, because I gotta find like a good deal on one. If anyone has a stick shift one for sale, let me know. Not tax, bro. I know it's gonna be hard, but I don't want to spend over 25K, guys, because that's how much I sold my E92 for. So it would I'd feel stupid to buy another E92 for more than I sold mine for. Can you guys believe that? I sold my E92 for 25K, guys, as is, with the Valtronic exhaust, the air suspension, the roll cage, the headlights, the Gintani tune. Like, that shit had everything. It's so loud. Oh my god. I'm not used to it revving out all the way to like 8,000 RPMs. Shit is so slow. How do we turn the traction off? I forgot how to work this car, guys. Oh my god, that feels way faster like that. I put the little power button. This shit is so loud. We're actually gonna stop at 412 real quick because we're literally around the corner, and check on the F80, guys. My F80 is still broken. It's literally been misfiring, and we've been trying to figure out the issue, and hopefully Sam's able to figure it out today, because I miss my car, guys. Bro, this shit is fun, Kevin. Not gonna lie, G.
What?
This shit is sick. Like, it's not the fastest, but like,
yeah,
it's still fun.
Tell you should buy it, bro.
And the downshifts are like so responsive, bro. It's crazy. I don't know. But yeah, we made it 412. Oh my god, that shit's hard. Oh, white. Oh, that? Gustavo spec? My car, G. Oh my gosh. We're trying to fix it, guys. Guys, my F80's all torn apart still. We're trying to make it stop misfiring. As you guys watched in the last video, we changed out the spark plugs, which it still kept misfiring, but we needed to change those spark plugs anyway, so we're just trying to figure out what next. Probably injectors, I think. Hopefully it's done by today, because I need my car. There's so many car events this weekend. I gotta go to them. We're switching cars now. Now I'm going into M4. Kevin's gonna go into Lime Rock. This one's a little more scarier, because Kevin has 0 tires. Like, they're completely bald. So much faster. Oh shit! But you can't see anything with the freaking wing. Oh my god. Oh, E30. Oh, it's not an E30. What the heck? It's a 5 Series. I thought it was an E30. I always call it the Kevin Burble. This one also has the crazy paddles. Like, look, the E92 can't do this. Alright, well that was fun. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that little vlog with Kevin's cars. We got to drive an E92 and we got to drive an M4 GTS. Both really sick cars, and I know you guys love the BMW content. This is all the BMW content you need right here.
Question of the day.
What?
So which one?
Which one am I taking? M4 G.
Bro.
I love that car, bro.
Nah, I love that car too.
It's like my car on steroids. With the roll cage, the suspension, all that. I just wish I had tires.
I know.
Because then I could go fast.
Soon.
Right now it's a little scary.
I know, it is scary.
Look at this. Bro, that's just bad.
It's bad. What the? It's gliding away.
Before we end the video, Kevin's gonna rev it a little bit so you guys can hear the E92 sound. Because that's what takes the cake on this. The sound wise, that for sure. Oh my god. Kevin. For sure his neighbors hate him. Oh my god, it actually did hurt. That is hella loud. Anyways, E92 is going back into hibernation. He doesn't even drive this car, guys. Anyways, if you guys enjoyed that vlog, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel if you guys are not already. Subscribe to Kevin if you guys are not already. Again, it's the first link down below. Go subscribe to Kevin. He's daily vlogging as well. We've both been trying to push each other to vlog every day. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.
I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26. Shit.